This lesson is show that T is linear transformation by finding a matrix that implement the mapping. So all we're doing is just changing this format into matrix. Okay, one more time. All we're doing is changing this format into matrix form. Okay, so matrix form and this form are the same thing. It's just in different view. Okay, one more time. This form is the same as this form. It's just different view. Okay, so T, x1, x2, x3, x4, we have first, second, third, and fourth. So the first is 0, second right here, third right here, fourth right here. A, we don't know. We know that there's a variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, variable 4. However, based on what is given, we can change A into this. So how do we do that? If you look at the first line, it is 0. There's no variable, so it's just 0. So 0 all the way across. Okay. Next line, I have variable 1, variable 2, but it's a 1, 1. So I have 1, 1, but there's no variable 3, no variable 4, so it's just 0. Next line, I have variable 2, variable 3, but it's a 1, 1. So that's where the 1, 1 come from. 0 for 1, 0 for 4, because there's nothing there. Last line, I have 3 and 4, so 1, 1. And there is no variable 1, variable 2, so 0, 0. So that is our matrix A with the variable x1, x2, x3, x4. Now, again, this format and this matrix format are the same thing, just different view. Okay, so one more time. This is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, which I have here. The first line, there's no variable, so everything is 0. Second line, I only have variable 1 and variable 2, so it's 1, 1. Third line, I have variable 2, variable 3, so I have 1, 1, and the rest 0. Fourth line, I have 3 and 4, so 1, 1, and then the rest is 0. Where are these 1 comes from? Because there's a variable here. There's a invisible 1 right here. Invisible 1, same here as here, same and same. There's just a 1 right there, so that's where the 1 come from. Okay, so one more time. We're just changing this format into a matrix format so that it looks easier. This is your A and this is your variable. Okay. Next is the same concept, just different variables, different numbers. Okay, so here I have line 1, line 2, line 3, and then line 4. Okay, so line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. So here's line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Now if you look at this very carefully, I only have variable 1, variable 2, so that's why I have variable 1, variable 2. We don't know what A is, okay? But based on this, we can figure out A. So first line, I have -3, 2, -3, 2. Second line, I have 1, -4, 1, -4. Third line, there is no variable, so 0, 0. Fourth line, I have variable 2 only, so that's where the 1 comes from, okay? So 2, -3. So this goes first, so -3, 2, because that's x1 and this is x2. 1, -4, 1, -4. There is no variable for the third line, so 0, 0. Here I only have x2, so that's where the 1 come from, and the 0. And then there's my variable x1 and x2. Again, we're just changing this format into matrix format. This is my A and this is my variable. Okay. And the bottom is the same thing as well. I have I have first line and second line. Again, this whole thing right here is my first line. This right here is my second line. So first line and second line. And here I have variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. That's what I have here. Now use these numbers to make matrix A. So 1, negative 5, 4, 1, negative 5, 4. Second line, I don't have variable 1, so it's 0. So 1, negative 6, 1, negative 6. And there is my variable 1, 2, and 3. This is my matrix A. These are my variables. Okay, so again, we're just rewriting this form into matrix form. Okay, so I gave you, so there are 3 examples. So it's just the same concept, changing this format into matrix form. Same thing here, changing this format into matrix form. Okay, and then the last one, changing this format into matrix form. Okay.